Hey guys, Pablo here. Another quick update for our participation in Intel's Ultimate Coder Challenge, an online competition where we are competing against 7 other teams to develop a commercial virtual reality application. And our application, Zenva Sky, is the world's first VR app designed to teach you coding and computer science in virtual reality. So this is what we had until last week. This is what our project looked like. And this week we have done massive improvements on our world, on our game world basically. And this is what it looks like now. So we designed this donut type of world in virtual reality actually using Oculus Medium. And the 8 levels that we have designed so far are all gonna go in the same region. So the way it's gonna work is these platforms that you see here, this is where the levels will go. So this is one of the levels that we have already designed. We still need to do the objects that go in the level. So these are all just placeholders for now. But it's great to finally have a proper look and feel for our educational app. Now, you might wonder, are there a lot of pixels here? Is this going to be too intensive for virtual reality? And the answer is actually not, because we have done massive polygon reduction. So let me show you how much we have now. All of the terrain is only 7,000 triangles, so that's roughly 21,000 vertices. And if we go here on play mode, you can see that we are roughly in 38,000 to 40,000 vertices. I just think that this is designed at the moment as a desktop VR application. If we were targeting mobile, we would still be in a pretty low number. Well, let's go and have a look in VR to see what this new world is looking like. Okay, well, I am in this vehicle, in this cabin, and this is where I can write my programs. I've already pressed a bunch of commands here, so I'm gonna remove them. But basically the idea here is that you enter different instructions, for example, move forward or rotate, or a loop, so when I repeat some action a certain number of times. And so you write your program and you execute your program. And when you execute your program, your vehicle carries out the instructions that you told it. In this case, it all looks very messy, but it has to do with moving around and activating things and avoiding obstacles. But having that whole view of the world right here makes it very, very beautiful. There are, well, some artifacts that I have to fix in the trees, but I think it's a much better approach to have it all in one place than to have a different level, because when you fly from one spot to the other, then you can also get an onboarding to some new computer science topic, so that you start with almost no buttons here, and as you make progress, more of the buttons will appear. And once you've done the whole round, you will have some experience with basic things, but I think that will be a great introduction to a lot of these subjects. So, well, that's all for this week's update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.